man orders fried rice in a restaurant. While waiting for his meal to be served, there was a disgusting coughing sound coming from the kitchen. The man's cleanliness fetish could not stand it. He rushed into the kitchen. Sure enough, the cook wasn't even wearing a mask. Coughing madly at the food, the angry man grabbed a broom and slammed the door. Then, he calmly closed the food outlet. The cook realized something was wrong. He grabbed a kitchen knife and took the initiative to attack. Unexpectedly, the man dodged easily and kicked the cook in the chest. Then the man grabbed a pan to defend himself against the blade. He found an opportunity to use his iron skull. The chef was stunned by the impact. The man picked up the freshly fried rice again and slashed precisely at his opponent's chopper. And then a combination of punches, the chef was brought to a halt. Finally, a belt was placed around his neck. When he was about to suffocate, only then did the man let go.